if I had to start again, if I had to start Forex again in 2025, I will not waste time in a single day watching random videos, random strategy on Facebook. No, never. I will never do that. I would rather do these 5 things I'm about to show you. 5 step by step um, procedure to make you have profit in Forex consistently. Now, this will help you to avoid blowing account, which of course many people usually do. Many new traders usually do. Now, you need to watch this video to the end before you can place another trade. Watch this video to the end and you'll be so good in this 2025 in order for you to trade Forex. Now, welcome back to this channel. If you have not been here before, my name is Joshua and I help trader master Forex and they master it in a smart way. Now, today I'm going to show you exactly how to start Forex trading as a complete beginner in 2025, the right way, the smart way. Now, this is actually the roadmap that I use that have helped me thus far in order for me to stay consistent in the market. Now, Forex trading, like I used to tell people, is not gambling. Forex trading is not gambling. Please, Forex trading is not gambling. You are trading one currency against another currency. For example, now look at here, we have Euro USD. Now you are trading Euro against USD. You are trading Euro against USD. This is not gambling. This is trading currency pair against another currency pair. Yeah, we can have gold, we can have GPP, JPY. All of these are currency which we are trading against another currency. Like look at this gold now. I'm actually trading gold right now. Right now, as I'm doing this video, I am trading gold. I'm trading gold right now as I'm doing this video. I am trading gold. Now, you don't have to watch random strategy on YouTube. Stick to what I'm about to share with you, and you will understand that there is importance in order for you to give before trading Forex. Some importance. Now, the first is that you need to understand that we have currency pair which I just show us now, and we are trading against the currency pair. Now, you trade based on your knowledge concerning the currency pair. Why? Because some currency pair have their own unique behavior. They have their own unique behavior, so you need to follow them as they behave. Now, the second thing is that you need to master a single setup. What I mean by single setup, in the market we have different setup. I will just give us little of them, but we have different setup. You can check my YouTube channel and you will see most of them. I've discussed most of them in detail. Some of the setups are support and resistance. Now you need to understand support and resistance. What are support? Support are where price could not break below to continue the sell trend, while resistance is where price could not break above to continue the buying trend. Now this is as simple as this. Now we have different support zone, we have resistance zone. Now it works better than just 10 indicator. You need to understand this. Now some might decide to understand more of candlestick formation, more of candlestick formation. Now let me show you candlestick formation. Candlesticks such as engulfing pattern, pinball, we have marabuzu, we have hammer. All of these candlesticks speak something. Now you see the formation, we have rejection of low prices and high prices. Now all of these speak something. All of these candlesticks speak something. I have a video in this channel that talks about candlestick formation. Now you can either focus on candlestick rejection, which will actually help you in your forex trading also powerfully well, or support and resistance, or you also look at the formation. What are the formation? Double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom. Now let me give you an example. Let me give you an example now. Look at this beautiful setup now. Double bottom, beautiful setup. In fact, giving us rejection of low prices, rejection of low prices, because the wick of every candlestick, or the tail of every candlestick, is saying something, and what it's saying is rejection of low prices. Now you need to keep your chart very simple and clear and consistent, so that you'll be able to see what you are looking at before you enter the forex market. I hope we are actually together. Now, the next thing you need to understand is your risk management. You need to understand your risk management. What is the risk management? The amount of money you are about you can give out, you can lose out in your capital, and that amount of money should be 1 to 2% of your capital. When I'm talking about 1 to 2% of the capital, for example, now you have $10, and then you are losing what 1% of your capital. 1% of your capital is what is $1. Now, if you lose $1 in a trade, you are permitted to close that trade for that day. Why? Because you have gone against 1% of your capital. If it is 2%, it is what? It is $2. It is $2. If it is 2%, it is $2. Now, this risk management helps you so that you can trade in the future, you can trade the next day. That is what the big guys, the professional traders usually do, so that they will not be out of the market immediately or instantly. Now, follow this strategy and you stay long in the market enough to win. Now, after you have understand risk management, because the goal is not to win every trade, but it is to stay in the game for a long time, you need to understand what we call the risk reward. Now, the risk reward is the take profit, the area of take profit that you anticipate your price to reach. Now, for example, if you enter a trade here, you are buying, the first area of take profit should be here, second should be here, and third should be here. Now, this is first, this is second, and this is what? This is third. This is what? 1 to 3 reward ratio. Now, you can use your support and resistance as a risk reward ratio levels that you can actually use to take profit, or you use indicators such as the moving average. The moving average can also help you to have a good and a precise risk reward ratio. Now, guys, once you have finished understanding this, the next thing, number 4 thing that you need to do, like I told you, I'm showing you 5 things. The fourth thing you're going to do is for you to create a demo account. Now, this is a demo account. Yes, this is a demo account. Now, this is a demo account. You click download MetaTrader 405, and then you click on this plus sign and create a demo account. Create a demo account. That account will help you a lot. Create a demo account. It will help you a lot, so that you can test run your skills, you can test run your understanding on forex before you start trading real life. Now, don't rush to go live on trading. Trade on demo account like you are trading a real money. Practice your setup, your timing, and be disciplined. Once you are able to double your demo account twice, then go live with small capital. Don't go with mega capital, small capital. Now, always have a screen recording of MetaTrader demo account that you are using, so that you'll be able to test run to know which one is actually which strategy works for you, which one does not work. So just like the way I'm doing this video, you can record yourself when you are trading, so you know, or you screenshot it and keep it, so you can validate which one works for you and which one does not work for you. Now, because there are different people that have different trading views, so work on that and you definitely actually be ahead of the market. And the next thing that I want to tell us is that the fifth thing is that we need to develop trader psychology. You need to develop a trader psychology. Now, your emotions are your biggest enemy in forex. Your emotions are your biggest enemy. Don't trade when you are angry. Don't trade when you are tired. Don't trade when you are greedy. Don't trade when you are happy. No, your emotions are very powerful in the forex market. Trading is 80% mindset and 20% strategy. I repeat it again. Trading is 80% mindset, your emotions. 80% trading is 80% of your emotions, your mindset, and 20% of the strategy. Learn to be patient, learn to be disciplined, and you should learn how to control your emotions. That is how you win big in the forex. I have been a forex trader for more than 8 years now. For more than 8 years, and I can tell you the truth. I can tell you the truth. If you can follow these 5 steps that I have shared in this video, you become profitable in 2025 and even beyond. So that is how I will start my forex trading if I'm to start again in 2025. Make sure you watch this video to the end and drop a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for weekly beginners friendly forex lesson such as this. I will see you in the next video. Meanwhile, practice what you have learned and have a good day.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.